Hey guys, we're back again at Computex 2025 with the Gigabyte banquet, I guess, and with Andrew.
Yeah, I'm Andrew. Yeah.
Andrew? All right, so Andrew's going to show us some new products from Gigabyte for Computex 2025. Let's have a look at what you've got here.
Yeah, this is actually the concept design of before that we know a lot of competitors have released the Chem2 modules last year, and Gigabyte make it to reality. For the Z890 Aorus Tachyon Chem2, we actually put the Kingston Chem2 module inside the chassis, inside the motherboard on board this. So it is a 8000 MT per second memory. As you can see, it has the 13% performance boost compared with the UDIM module. So this is also overclockable on this motherboard, so with performance and elegance at the same time.
Right, so Z890 Aorus Tachyon aim for AI workloads and stuff like that, right? With the GeForce in there. Wow, okay, so this is kind of a complete system that you can get? It's a whole system, right?
Yeah, the Chem2 is it's like a prototype, but we're thinking of releasing to the market. And for the total complete system wise, we also offer the gaming system like a Supreme 5. Yeah.
So Chem2, new type of memory, overclocking, performance.
Yes, of course.
Right.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
excellent.
Yes.
So this board is it available right now, or is it going to be planning?
Yeah, we're planning to release that, but still in discussion. Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah.
So you get almost kind of in performance boost, almost 3 times, 2 times.
Yeah, so this performance boost compared with the UDIM is more like on DRAM wise, performance wise, it's 14% more.
40% more.
Yeah, it's really something.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And there's lots of room for overclocking as well.
Yeah, it also leaves lots of room for overclocking. So internal test result has seen that the 1800 MT per second module can reach like 8800 and even more on that. Yeah, there's still a lot of room for that. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So you haven't got any in you probably see that in the samples, right? Do you have any?
I can actually remove the module of remove the Chem2 heatsink for you. So this.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. So
there you go. Check it out. That's the Chem2 memory module.
Yeah.
Gives you extra performance with overclocking and everything. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. It's a totally flat design compared with the UDIM wise. So yeah, it's a really like new and like totally seamless concept.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. We'll probably see more of these boards this year and probably next year, right?
Yeah, we'll see how market trends go. Yeah, but we're really excited for this introduction. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll leave it right here, and maybe I'll deal with that later. Yeah,
all
it's
right.
fine.
And over here we have what we have here then.
Yeah, this one is the Z890 Aorus Tachyon, the UDIM version. So as the high cookie used specialized level and use this version to break the work record. This motherboard we're using right now to showcase the 9733 MT per second memory that can finish the memory test result.
Yeah.
So it's very powerful on the overclocking with the using easy tuning kit and all the digital power design. It's really advanced. It's designed for breaking the work record.
So overclocking for memory. And it has like a performance that will do, wow, you see that's DDR5 9733.
Yeah.
Runs the test no problem, and it probably can even go more in terms of performance. Okay, cool. Again, these boards are available now for this, but not.
Yeah, it's already available. Already available.
Okay, you got something special for me.
Yeah.
Something a bit stealthy, I guess. Let's go ahead and check it out. Wow.
Yeah.
So how does this work?
What
is this thing?
This is the special cartoon box or the packing box for the Gigabyte Aorus Stealth. So at the time you receive the board itself, the experience happened already. So when you remove the box itself, the first one you see is our specialized logo.
Ooh, very nice. Check it out.
And right now we do a simple flip.
Oh, nice Aorus badge.
Yeah, you see the badge right here. And the motherboard for the concept on the day one.
Okay, cool.
And you have removed that, you see the motherboard.
All right, looking good.
Yeah, this motherboard is really something. We have hidden all the cables or connectors right at the bottom side. Right here you can see. The KOC is 30% smaller. which means more compatibility across different vendors, support over 30 chassis models.
And this solid metal backplate, it adds protection as well. And everything.
Yeah, and also they have the battery heat dissipation.
Wow, this thing is heavy. Wow, it's at least, I reckon, at least 3 kilos.
Yeah, good measurement. Yeah.
For the guys in pounds, I'll probably be about 5 pounds in weight, 5 or 6 pounds. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Tell us some of the special features this board has.
Yeah, of course. So this one, underneath that, we have a special design. Yeah, I'm sorry for that.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, you see, right, this specialized of the M.2 Easy Flex right here works like a car absorber to fit different SSDs, double-sided and single-sided. It adjusts the height dynamically or just by itself.
Oh, look at that. It's got this suspension kind of thing going on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, spring-loaded. Okay, and it's, of course, it has the thermal pad.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Gen 5 here and Gen 5 there as well.
Yeah. It's also removable for this one for really easy to. Yeah.
With the easy click system that we talked about in all our reviews.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
inside,
this is another heatsink to protect the chipset, right?
Yeah.
Give the heatsink.
And inside we have a BIOS that supports the Wi-Fi driver directly. Right after you finish the Windows station, your Wi-Fi is ready to go.
Right, that's it. You know when you install some of the motherboard drivers, once you finish Windows, you have to do motherboard drivers. Well, this one has the BIOS, which comes with all the drivers ready to go. Yeah. So you don't have to go search and download the drivers. It's already load Windows, boom, you're ready to go.
Yes, of course. Really nice.
Usual, it's got the quick release here for the graphics card.
Yeah.
Diagnostic LED for quick debug and everything. And with these quick buttons, right? Power reset and
this is the easy debug zone for you, like a quick debug.
And then for I/O, you got usual USBs there. Thunderbolt. Which one? Thunderbolt?
This is a USB Type-C.
Type-C. Yes, Type-C. USB 4.
Yeah.
And the Wi-Fi.
Easy plug.
Easy plug. Very nice. Okay. Yeah. So this board, I love this X870 Stealth. I think we have plenty more other models, right?
Yes. And we actually want to express our compatibility. As you can see, we have a total ecosystem right here with the Stealth, the 1590 Stealth VGA card that have the connector moved to the bottom side, allows for the better organization of the cable.
Yeah. So guys, if you check out this graphics card, it has the connector at the back of the graphics card. So you can check it out, come closer. You can see that rather than the actual pinout. So here in front of the graphics card is at the back right there, you can see, which hides the cables, makes the aesthetics looks good. And that's one of the Stealth Aorus GeForce RTXs.
Yeah, RTX 5090.
5090s, okay.
Yeah, so this is a total ecosystem with own Gigabyte's components, but not only that, we also showcased our vendors, partners, chassis at the same time. As you can see, this is the latest one of the Corsair Frame 4500X.
So this is the Corsair RAM, okay.
Yeah, it's also showcasing their own chassis. We also have our latest chassis for fractal design, Norx Axial RC, and the Funkykit.
And this is the Corsair chassis, and this is the curved glass.
Yes, of course.
Very nice. Got the Corsair memory in there, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So I've also noticed the Stealth product line. There's something special about them. You know what it is, guys? Look this. What's going on here? It's the Computex Award 2025 with your Gigabyte Stealth lineup. Thank you so much. And there's more, I think. There's more.
Yeah, there's one for when you're trying to chase him for elegance and performance at the same time. Fractal design, of course, is the best choice. Right here for the North Axial RC, they also cover with their space very long time. So the total compatibility is also ensured as well.
It's the fractal design, very nice.
Yeah,
it's got this nice wooden touch to the chassis there. They do make nice cases.
Yeah.
And then I think the last one here we have the
Funkykit.
The Funkykit one, right? Okay.
Yeah, Funkykit is the EVO LVX2. Their white version. Their white version lets your motherboard floating inside the chassis.
I like this one. You know why? Because it has glass panels on the side, the front, and the reverse. So you got the all kind of 360 panoramic kind of view of the chassis. But as you see the Gigabyte products in there, the motherboard, the graphics card, And this is, of course, using the Stealth motherboards.
Yeah.
It's compatible with the Fantex, the Corsair, and other brands with their supporting the Stealth ecosystem there. All right. Thank you, Andrew, for your time.
Yeah,
and I hope you have a successful, a wonderful Computex 2025.
Yeah, thanks.